An example of a positive aspects bedtime process.
Your action orientation in life causes you to believe that it takes hard work to make things happen. But as you learn to deliberately direct your thoughts, you will discover that there is tremendous leverage and power in thought. As you focus more consistently only in the direction of what you desire, rather than diluting the power of your thought by thinking of the wanted and then the unwanted, you will understand from your personal experience what we mean. Because of your action orientation, you often try too hard and work too hard, and as a result of that, most of you bring yourselves more to the attention of what is wrong, or more to the attention of what needs to be fixed, than you do to the attention of what you desire. Here's a good way to apply the process of positive aspects at bedtime. Once you're in your bed, try to recall some of the most pleasant things that happened during the day. Since many things have undoubtedly happened during this day, you may have to ponder for a little while, and you may remember some of the less than pleasant things that happened, but stick to your intention of finding something pleasing, and when you find it, ponder it. Prime your positive pump by saying things such as, "The thing I liked about that was," or "My favorite part of that was," and then follow any positive thread that you find, thinking about the best parts of your day. And then, once you're feeling the effect of your positive thoughts, focus on your dominant intention right now, which is getting a good night's sleep and awakening refreshed in the morning. Say to yourself, "I'm going to sleep now, and while I'm sleeping, because my thoughts will be inactive, attraction will stop and my physical body will be completely refreshed at every level." Turn your attention to the immediate things around you, like the comfort of your bed or the softness of your pillow, the well-being of your moment, and then softly set forth the intention, "I will sleep well, and I will awaken refreshed with another new, good-feeling, positive point of attraction." And then off to sleep you go.
An example of a positive aspects morning process.
As you awaken the next morning, you will be in that positive, good-feeling place, and your first thoughts will be something like, I'm awake. I've reemerged back into the physical." Lie there for a little while and bask in the comfort of your bed, and then offer a thought such as, "Today, no matter where I'm going, and no matter what I'm doing, no matter who I'm doing it with, it is my dominant intent to look for things that feel good. When I feel good, I'm vibrating with my higher power. When I feel good, I'm in harmony with that which I consider to be good. When I feel good, I'm in the mode of attracting that which will please me once it gets here. And when I feel good, I feel good." It's just good to feel good, if the only thing it ever brought you is the way you feel in the moment. But feeling good brings ever so much more beyond that. We would lie in the bed for 2 or 3 minutes. That is enough. And we would look for positive aspects of our surroundings. And then, as we move into the day, we would begin to acknowledge more positive aspects, looking for more reasons to feel good, no matter what the object of our attention is. In the first moment of any negative emotion, which will very likely occur even though you've begun your day looking for reasons to feel good, because there is, upon some subjects, some negative momentum already in motion, so don't worry about it. But upon the first inclination of any negative emotion, we would stop and say, "I want to feel good. I'm feeling some negative emotion, which means that I'm focusing upon something that I do not want. Now, what is it that I want?" And then we would turn our attention immediately to that which we want, staying focused upon the new thought or the positive thought, long enough that we could feel the positive energy again beginning to flow through our body. As you move through your day, look for more reasons to laugh and more reasons to have fun. When you want to feel good and you do not take things so seriously, and when you're not taking things so seriously, you're not as likely to notice the lack of things wanted, and when you're not focused upon the lack of what you desire, you just feel better. And when you feel better, you attract more of what you do want, and your life just gets better and better and better. And then that night, as you lie in your bed, you will have many wonderful things to ponder as you drift off into your restful, refreshing sleep. And then you will awaken into an even better feeling new day tomorrow.